2 Glock, I be back, bitch. I'm back on the track, motherfucker. Fuck this small town, nothing ever goes down. You don't see fights underneath the fucking lights. These motherfuckers pussies, they only wanna push me. I don't like that shit, bitch, I wanna get hit. Send a bitch to the ER, come out looking like a retard. We like texting, bitches will be sexting. Yeah, it's illegal nowadays, nothing's legal. Our government don't like my medicine, will look at it like a fucking sin. I don't like our laws, I'll rip them with some claws. That's some Cougar shit, take a hit, bitch, suck my dick. My name ain't Ricky, shit is whack, just like white crack. My haters be my motivation, try to send me to the train station. I'm not leaving, I'll still be believing. All the haters be deceiving, they need to let me be. Let me smoke my weed, hit it from a bowl. All about quality control. If you give me shit, prepare to get hit. I only smoke dank, grill up to the bank. Grab some cash, grab some gas, somewhere off to get the grass. Bitch, 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 bitch. It's 2 Glock, I'm back, bitch. You ain't heard the shit from me for a long time, but I'm back. You better believe it. Peace.